Hello everybody, this is Biggie and I'm really happy to bring you this tool set from Craftsman. It comes with everything you ever want. It's got all the pieces I ever want for working on cars or stuff around the house or whatever. It's got your extensions, it's got your ratchets, it's got all your sockets, it's got all your bit sets over here. It's got your screwdriver with a bit and a twistable handle for ratcheting. You've got your extension here, you've got your small ratchet here, smaller sockets, and then you've got your Allen wrenches. Wow, two sets of Allen wrenches. I'm very impressed with this Craftsman tool set. This is super nice and I'm really happy to have it. Really nice work, really nicely made. It was lifetime stuff. You can just feel it when you touch it. It's made to last forever. I'm very happy and I'm very proud to have this in the house. I was needing a good tool set and Amazon happened to send this to me, and it's a great price, everyone. To get all these tools, this is pretty much everything you're going to need in a lifetime for working on stuff. This is Biggie checking out. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.